Dear students, in this section we will see cache consistency maintenance. As we know, purpose of caching is improve data access performance, improve data availability, and the problem for the caching is data consistency. So cache consistency maintenance is required to ensure that whatever data item of values fetched from the cache, it satisfied the currency requirements. So there are various cache consistency models are provided in the distributed system. Under a strong cache consistency model, the cache consistency maintenance protocol guarantee that the value that is to be provided is the most recent value of X. For example, the item X is provided to the application at any time, so it ensures that the value of the X is the most recent value that is provided. So in the strong cache consistency model, it implies that whatever data item X is accessed, the checks are performed in consultation with the remote server, where that X is stored in the server. In that server or with that server, the consultation is performed and checks are performed in consultation with the remote server to determine whether the cache value of the data X is most current or not. Okay, so in implementation of this strong cache consistency protocol implies that the NFS, if the remote server is inaccessible, if the remote server is inaccessible for the consultation or for the validation or for the check, so in that case, or we can say the cache, the client and the server is down, or the server itself is down, then the cache access to X just wait until the server becomes accessible. When the server is disconnected from the client, so in that case the client cannot perform the check with the server. So in that case, the checking is stopped until the server is available, or in some implementation the client machine even blocks the further cache access while freezing the client machine. Okay, so because of that, it is the strong cache consistency maintenance. So there are several cache consistency maintenance schemes are available, such as for WWW distributed file system and CS database systems. So most widely used cache consistency models are called backs and validity checks. Next is performance and architectural issue. So various issues and consideration for designing mobile caching strategies, that are data access pattern, data update rate, communication and access cost, mobility pattern of the client, connectivity characteristics, data currency requirements, and context dependence of the information. Next, it have to be address the following problems, like how to reduce client side latency, how to maintain cache consistency between the various cache and the server, how to achieve high energy and bandwidth efficiency, how to manage location dependent data in the cache, and how to enable cooperation between the multiple peer cache. So these problems need to be addressed, and it is need to address the following problems also, like how to ensure high data availability in the presence of frequent disconnection, how to achieve high energy bandwidth efficiency, how to determine the cost of cache miss, and how to incorporate the cost in the cache management scheme. So these are the problems that have to be introduced in the performance and architectural issues. Now in the next section we will see mobile cache maintenance schemes. Okay, so thank you so much.